this is our first day in training. Tayari anaachana na mimi ananiacha. So since the first day in training, she is the best.
It's been good.
She is the fastest.
It's been good.
Familiarizing. Fanya kama unaruka. Nasikia kama unaruka. Unaruka. Hii ni maji kidogo sana. Unataka huko? Side.
Siniache mimi.
Side. Haya. Azinishike na nguvu, like nishike lightly kabisa.
Quite flexible.
Quite flexible. Jiachilie tu. No, don't do that. No, because you will fall like it. Then you.
So what am I supposed to do?
Just
Squat.
You just squat. Then you knee your hands straight. Okay? Then you. Thank you. Even your daughter is celebrating.
So guys, hapa mbele mnaona kwa hizi nini? Hizi hats we are going to change over there. Tuache nguo zetu, viatu na we change kwenda beach sasa.
Shoes first.
Yeah, in that kagunia. Mama viatu, toa viatu. Toa viatu.
Yeah, na roho kweli hata ingi wa maji.
Lazima atoe.
Leta viatu.
Number 55 right?
Nasema 55.
Yeah. Imeandikwa tu, angalia.
Lazima umuonyeshe simu kama unaacha. Kama unaenda kupiga picha. Acha. Nitamaliza hii.
These are the changing rooms.
Yeah. Kuna vile za kukanyaga huku chini.
Yeah.
Stepping steps. Na maji ya kunao ukitoka kwa maji kama badili. Tunatoa changarawi, maji ni habari tu.
Yeah, ina ni ile tu kutoa mchanga hiyo.
The same. Our girl today is not swimming.
Yeah, akona flu, so leo aingie kwa maji. So guys, we have already changed to our swimming costumes. Are these costumes? Just normal clothes.
Flexible. Hata ya.
Yeah.
Hatujaweza kushoot. We have not been able to shoot from where we changed because there is a show.
Yeah, going on na wakona hizo wale komeka nyimbo, so we are avoiding copyrights.
Yes. And she has shaved.
Yeah, this is my
want to capture that.
My new hairstyle.
She is not proud of it.
I am very, very proud. Something I decided.
I heard when women shave.
Yeah, they are starting up.
Yeah, something like that. Because I pleaded with her, you want to shave? Then I told her, okay, if it's your wish, then do it.
Yeah, I wanted to start a new life, guys.
I don't know what that meant because I don't know what means what new life is that unless you explain it to us because you didn't even explain to me.
Something for another day. Not today. And yeah, this is my new. This is new me. Not the one you used to see with braids. What? No, I can't say. Oh, no. It's not branding.
Rebranding.
No, it's not rebranding.
Yeah. I have already begun. Yeah.
Nisije tu story yako kwa moja. Nataka uzoe hiyo ni nyama. Nimespot. Familiarizing. Fanya kama unaruka. Nasikia kama unaruka. Unaruka. Hii ni maji kidogo sana. Unataka huko? Nasikia? Now, sisi kama nakupeleka faster sana. Nataka ukiwa umeshikilia mikono yangu, urudishe miguu yako nyuma. Hiyo ni kama unalala na tumbo. Usiogope. Haya. Sasa inua kidogo. Miguu straight. Haya. Weka mikono mbele kidogo. Usigilie zaidi. Hivyo. Aone tajua hata. Piga miguu kidogo. No, float. Usinishike tight.
Usiniache mimi.
Shike tight. Haya. Mama sasa. Kwa maji unahitaji nguvu nyingi. Nataka niwaambie maji ya mguu. Mimi hebu nishikilie venye mnataka. Na venye mmenishikilia. Nishike tu wewe. Iko shamba sana. Twende dipo.
Iko sawa.
Iko sawa. Unachoka? Kidogo tu. Na venye hivi nataka kupige maji. Miguu hiyo hivi. Haya. Navuta pumzi ingia ndani. Nikifort.
Yeah.
Haya, asinishike na nguvu, like nishike lightly kabisa.
Kwa flexible.
Kwa flexible. Jiachilie tu. Haya. Sasa piga miguu iko venye nimekwambia. Sasa try to squeeze. Unakunja naona. I can see that unakunja na sing. Usikunje kwa flat. Haya. Vuta pumzi na kitu ndani. Na upige maji. Can you see a float?
Yeah.
This is it. Haya. Nice. Na upige maji ile unapanga mguu hivi Ile ukipiga hivyo unatumia
maji kuna chumvi.
You are good. I think she is.
Wacha kushika maji.
Now, nataka kufanya hivi. Sasa bila kuwa supported. Nafanya hivi. Sawa. Ama hivi venye utatashikanisha. Mimi nataka kushikanisha mikono hivi ndio itaenea nguvu. Na ujaachilie. Ufanye tu hivi. Na ufloat tu sawa. Upige na miguu peke yake.
Simuonyeshe example.
Hawezi kunywa, utavuta pumzi ndani na ngoni. Sawa.
You cannot sing.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I'm sure.
Just start.
You hold me first.
Oh, just there.
No,
okay.
first. The last one first. Okay. And then I try.
No, you
I know, yeah.
You will sing.
You will sing so
I
much.
have to put my head down.
Yeah. When your head is up, you will sing. I'm actually using zero energy to lift her. So she can just do it herself. Then now we start from there.
I'm gonna try. I don't know.
Our cameraman is training a lot. Just take it and you session. Okay, when you're tired, just tell her. Okay? Okay, do that. You just do this. And yeah. Don't do this. When you do this, you go down. This one, your head should be in between there. Yeah. No. This way. Yes. Now you should be flat. Let's do it. Let's begin by that. Okay. Usi, don't come. Just get in and stretch on the inside. Pull knee. You inhale heavily, then you ensure you have enough to let you. Yeah. Thank you. Even your daughter is celebrating.
Thank you, Mama.
Yes. She is already a swimmer. That's one style of swimming. Because most of people do this. When you are swimming, most of people do this. This is very shallow actually. You will strain a lot.
Yeah, it's shallow, so that's why
most of people do this when you are swimming that style. You just do it.
Ya namuona pro huko mazee.
When will I ever tell myself, yeah? When?
Yes. Yes.
You need your viewership.
Oh, nice. Problem is panicking. Yeah, then msaidie. Yeah, well. I think you are perfect. You are a fast learner.
But this one, I don't know.
It's shallow.
Oh, no, it's not shallow. No.
Okay. Now, when you feel like
I think this is okay for a beginner.
Yeah. When you feel like you are losing that speed, now you start doing it like this. You move forward. Then you do like this until your hands are backward. Then you do again. Then you get up. You will feel going.
Let me try.
Okay. 1, 2. No. You are doing it in the wrong way because you are panicking. You are doing this. You are straining to catch the ground. So what you are doing is this, not this. When you pull water behind you, you go forward. No. Just get in water. Put, kneel down. Okay, do what I told you to do. No. No, you are doing it the wrong way. Okay, hold the child. Okay, you see this? When you're like this, don't do it like this. No. This is how your hands should be. You see? You feel like you are pushing water behind you. When you push water behind you, that force will take you forward. Like this. When you just get in water, even if I'm still, like this. But no, the problem of shallow water.
Leo niko fonja kitanda.
The problem of shallow water is that there are some styles that you cannot apply. The first style when you're swimming is the freestyle. So you cannot apply it here. It is very shallow. You can try it. Mark, you know it, right?
But guys, next time I think we will try.
Yeah, and you try. She's just a beginner. Yeah. And you are doing well. Now you need to put more practice. Keep practicing when you have time, because now we can practice. Because our cameraman, also my brother, he also wants to swim. So we don't want to hold that much. That's it for today. Let me show you how freestyle works. Freestyle, you just go, you pull this and then you twist your arm, you pull your water behind, then in the end you pull the other one. Then your head like this, then you keep going, then you are swimming with your legs as well. Like this. But it's very hard because every time I do like this, I'm catching the ground.
Yeah.
Because it's very shallow. So for me, this is so little to swim. Okay, I think you will have the child. Will you go or you will swim a little bit? Okay, just come. Then we end our video.
Si ati hapa maji itakupita nini? This area yote ni shallow. Yote hadi huko kuna wale wa jamaa. Yeah.
Wapi better?
Hakuna.
Where is better? He is perfect in that, but I have not learned it. The freestyle one, when you do like this, you breathe. Then you turn like this. You don't breathe. You take your hair out. Then when you do like this, you breathe again. So you can go very far. For a beginner who wants to float, you can just do like this. But I don't know if this one will carry me. I don't know. But let's try. And we are breathing.
Yeah, that one requires a little energy.
Yeah, it
swim.
requires very little energy. You just need to do like a fish, then your legs. Now this is smart. But that is not freestyle. Because you can float his head above. But it's another side.
Yeah, it's a good one. But then he really knows how to swim.
Yeah. That is back. You can go back?
I don't know backward. Wow, guys. Utajiona huko lini? You're a good swimmer.
But here the water is fully too.
Yeah, it's shallow.
shallow. The water is so shallow. Swim. So it was good for Mama Naya's training, and that is what we ate for today. Bye. She's already a swimmer. Huh? You go from there, you are here now. You are doing good. You are doing really good. It's only that she is using a lot of energy to swim. No, you are doing it the wrong way. Mark, just show her how to pull the water bind, because she is doing it the wrong way. I think you are doing good. Can you see that? He is pushing water behind. You must feel that. Yes. No, you are still doing it the wrong way. Do that in water now. Yeah, nice. Even without roll, we'll float. Roll. In 1, 2, go. This is our first day in training. Tayari anaachana na mimi ananiacha. So since the first day in training, she is the best.
It's been good.
She is the fastest.
It's been good.
First day. It's not faking anything. First day. So if you want to be trained, join her. Then.
So guys, this is our wrap.
Bye bye.
For watching. I love you. Bye bye.
Oh Hillah, nimebadilisha na maisha yangu, nimejawa akubisha na pete yangu, animuni hani twende wapyo Dar es Salaam, Mombasa Galo, au nikujenge nyumba langu. Kama nyuni wa hangani, imefika kiotani, nishachoka kupepea kupepea. Ni mzuri wa kishu, mwenye sifa za kinjio, kote yendo nasifiwa kusifiwa. Nachotaka ni penzi lipepe, moyo wangu mnyonge sicheze, nimcheze rumba kwa zeze, zeze mwendo wa zeze. Yani mi kwake de